Richard Madden is a Scottish actor with a massive net worth of $6 million. He is best known for playing the role of Robb Stark in HBO's most famous TV series, Game of Thrones. So, how does Richard spend his impressive net worth? And what is his millionaire lifestyle like? Let's find out. Richard Madden is a man of style who spends a lot of money on expensive clothes and accessories, so it goes without saying that he has hired expert stylists to make him look his best. Most of his unique looks on the red carpet have cost him thousands of dollars. Next, we are going to share the most exclusive details of his millionaire lifestyle, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about the millionaire lifestyle of Richard Madden. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Richard Madden is a Scottish actor, born and raised in Elderslie near Glasgow. Madden was cast in his first role at age 11 and made his screen acting debut in 2000. He later began performing on stage whilst studying at the Royal Conservatory of Scotland. Madden is best known from playing Icarus recently in the MCU series Eternals. Richard Madden is currently living in Emilia Clarke's LA home. The 35-year-old actor is currently quarantining in this luxurious home. It is a two-bedroom home with all of the lovely features the actor needs to get in his comfort zone. A source told the Sun newspaper that Richard flew back to LA a few weeks before the lockdown started after filming the new Marvel film, The Eternals, in London. Since then, he has been living in Emilia's old house because it's the perfect place to isolate. Plus, excitingly for him, as he has to drive everywhere, he's got himself a Jaguar S-Type. It's very sexy, very loud, with a bit of growl. You can't write that. I sound like a proper twat, but I love cars. I love driving. Richard Madden was pictured getting into a Jaguar worth $120,000 and looked like the next James Bond in his black jeans and complimenting sports jacket as he placed his leather bag in the boot of his brand new sports car. The Jaguar F-Type sits at the intersection of people who drive for the thrill of it and those who want everyone to see the luxury they can afford. The F-Type is available as a convertible with a choice of a turbocharged inline-4 or one of these three supercharged V6 engines. The car is quick. It's definitely a fast one, and it definitely suits a star like Richard. Do you know about all of the expensive watches Richard owns? Well, don't worry, because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Madden was spotted wearing a Breitling Transocean chronograph watch at a public event, reviving the design of the classic 50s and 60s chronograph. It seems like Madden is a big fan of unique and elegant watches. Richard also owns another family home about which he says, "I don't like my house that much. It doesn't suit me. It's a little 3-bedroom family house that I bought because I thought that was what I should do. Basically, it's my parents' house. I should have got a really sexy 1-bed loft in Clerkenwell." Richard is one of the finest paid actors in the world, and he spends his earnings like a boss. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Richard Madden? Let us know your favorites in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.